Okay, this is the last video for the chapter on gases. I'm not going to go through this. I'm going to just show you a more difficult problem for the nerds among you. If you want to take a crack at this, you're welcome to do it. The question is this, or the beginning of the question is this. A sample of homonuclear diatomic gas has a density of blah 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 at 1 atmospheres of pressure, and the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. And the question, or the challenge, or whatever, is to tell me what the gas is. A couple of things. Homonuclear diatomic sounds super fancy, but diatomic just means the molecule is made of 2 atoms, not 3, not 27. Diatomic just means there are 2 atoms in the molecule. Homonuclear means that the 2 atoms that are stuck to each other are the same kind. So our molecule is going to have some kind of formula like this. It'll be, be O2, be H2, whatever. And that is enough information. All of this stuff here is enough information to let you figure out what the gas is. There's a slightly simpler way of doing this using something called molar volume. So if you can use the molar volume way to figure it out, I don't know. I'd prefer that you use the slightly more difficult way of solving it using the ideal gas law equation. But again, you can solve it that way. If you want to give it a shot and you know the answer, you want me to check, I will send me a message and I will check. But that is the end of the chapter. So this is just conclusions. First thing, most importantly, don't memorize the formulas, but you need to be able to use them. And these are problems that might be useful in the chapter. There are a couple of problems that could be answered using something called molar volume, but we did not cover molar volume. You can read about it in your book if you want, but molar volume questions can also be answered just using the ideal gas law. So that's how I want you to answer those. So that's it for the gas chapter. I know you're very sad. Try to control yourselves. All right, see you in the next video, whenever that may be.
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, I put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on?